Distinguished ladies and gentlemen, this is a surprise actually. Thank you guys, thank you. I'm honored and elated to be awarded in this category, especially in this array of stellar talent as nominees. The first time I got my script as an actress, I took up the challenge, and today I have something to show for it. Thank you to God Almighty. I do not take it for granted. Thank you, City People Awards. Enjoy the rest of your evening. Thank you.
Thank you very much.